On this issue of taxation, I really want to advise President William Ruto. Number one, I want to talk generally about economics, and probably will pick what is important and urgent from all that, which will save the economy of this country, of our beloved nation, Kenya. If you look at Adam Smith, in his book, In the Wealth of Nations, Adam Smith stated clearly that it is not from the benevolence of the chef, the brewer, nor the butcher that we get to eat our dinner, but by their interest attached to it. So you see, the idea of taxation, it is not coming in good faith. And in economics, there are three schools of thought in economics: the classical school of thought, the Austrian school of thought, and the Keynesian school of thought from the great man called John Maynard Keynes. The classical school of thought is so clear that the wealth of a nation is calculated based on its national income, on the basis of the national income. And the national income is based on the work of its inhabitants. Okay. And the president is largely using the classical school of thought together with the Austrian school of thought. But the best model, the best school of thought, is the Keynesian school of thought. John Maynard Keynes was from Britain. And during the Great Depression in America, the depression that almost paralyzed the whole nation, that almost brought the world, the global economy, to its knees, that assaulted the global economy, he came up with a simple theory, simple model that worked. And the Keynesian school of thought is what this nation, is what Ruto should use. And it is very clear. It states that during an economic downturn like what we are having now, during a recession, during assault of the economy, the government, in its wisdom, must ensure that tax is reduced